It's a little cooler and cloudier here at Cracker Barrel. So I'm still getting over 100 watts. I have 200 watts of solar and I only ever really get a maximum like 180, 160, like on a really sunny day in the summer. But I still get 100 watts on a cloudy day. So I do need to get another solar panel. All right, I'm leaving Cracker Barrel and it feels quite nice actually. It's about in the 60s. There are clouds over the mountains, still no snow. It rained a little bit last night. So I'm getting a late start right now. It's already 11:20. So I'm going to be done with my bike ride at like 2. And then I'm going to go shower. I definitely need to take a shower. It's been a couple days. So I don't really have anything to do on the computer today. I do need to go to Starbucks to charge the Jackery. And I'm getting kind of a late start. It's already 11:20. So it'll be like 2 o'clock by the time I get to the finish the bike ride. It's fine, it's nice and cool today. I'll go do the bike ride and then I will go to Planet Fitness. Definitely need to take a shower. Anyway, okay, yeah, so I'm getting a late start. I got up at like 8:30 this morning. It wasn't even cold. I just, was laying in bed. I got up at 7. I was just kind of checking my phone and watching some videos and texting friends to let them know I'm still here, my proof of life text. And then, yeah, I was like, oh, I'll get up and I'll go. What's this person doing? Do you want to cut in front of me, dude? You can go straight in this lane too. These 2 lanes go straight. Very strange. It's like, watch the arrows, people. Anyway, so yeah, so I don't know. But yeah, it was a bunch of clouds at the top of the tram. Yeah, I'm hoping it like gets colder and colder and colder. It's going to be in the 30s this week, which will be great. So, but yeah, it's all cloudy and I'm still getting 100 watts on my charger. Yeah, so I think next month I'll get the 3rd solar panel. I should have gone with like more solar, less storage, but I don't know. If I get the skinny solar panel that's 100 watts, that'll be able to put right across. And then the 100 watts solar panel I have at the back. Sorry, I can't even speak. I ate some chocolate this morning, so my mouth is a little bit. But if I get the 100 watt solar panel that's on the back of my roof, is partially covered by one of the rails for the VanTech rail that I have up there, the storage rail. It doesn't really affect it that much, only that when the sun is like at an angle, then I get more charging on that solar panel. But either way, there's always going to be a shadow because I've got the max fan, I've got the roof rack, I've got the rails. So that back solar panel will always be partially like less effective. I know Renogy makes one that's 100 watts where like if one panel is covered by a shadow, the rest of the panel works. But I'm still getting like 60 or 70 watts out of it, which is fine. If I get the next solar panel, then that'll give me over 250 watts probably. So I'll get closer to 300. It'll just be more efficient. I just have to figure out how I connect everything because I'll be adding an extra connector. I've got the splitter already. So I just have to figure out the combination of connecting the 3rd to the 2nd to the 1st because I don't actually remember how we did it up there. I installed my 2nd solar panel, so I'm pretty proud of that. But my friend Frank helped me with the 1st solar panel. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna go to the bike trail, go do my quick ride. It's a Monday. And it's great. So yeah, so I don't have to be back home until next Friday, not this Friday. So I've still got like, 10 days or something. I've got a long time before I have to be home. Yeah, so I think I'll just stick in Albuquerque. I might go, I don't know, tomorrow I might go and spend a few days up in Santa Fe. I might go do that. I want to do bike packing, so I've got to figure that out. I actually might just go ahead and do that tomorrow. But it is going to rain Wednesday. I don't mind riding in the rain as long as there's no lightning, as long as there's no snow and ice. But yeah, I don't mind the rain. I've got a really good rain jacket. Just everything else will get wet. And I've got rain covers for everything. Everything I bought came with a rain cover. So I don't know. I'll see what the weather's like. If it clears up, if it passes over, then I'll do the bike packing Wednesday, Thursday. Staying in Santa Fe Wednesday night. If it ends up like raining Wednesday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, then I'll do the bike packing Friday and Saturday. So I'll take Amtrak up on Friday. No, can't do Friday because I'm doing the Amazon tour. I'll do Saturday and Sunday. So I think that hotels might be cheaper on the weekends as well. So I don't know, for some reason, but I'll just get a cheapo hotel, like $50 or something, just somewhere to sleep, shower, eat before I ride back 6 hours on Sunday. So yeah, that'll be better. That way there's less traffic on Sunday, and it'll be a little quieter. And then if I get a flat tire, I've got friends in Albuquerque that ride bikes that have bike racks, and in Santa Fe as well. So I'll put out the SOS. I'll be like, I'm doing bike packing. I might call you 20 miles in if I get a flat tire. I also have to look at the terrain to see where it's going to send me on this bike trail, because it's not going to be on the highway, which I've driven, which is only a 45-minute drive. It's going to be like 5 or 6 hours by bike. So I'll probably do it quicker. But I'm assuming there's hills, or I'm assuming that part of it's downhill. I think that'll be fun. I just need to get air in the tire. Probably tomorrow after my bike ride, I'll go to REI and get air in the tire, or I'll do it on Thursday. And then I just need to like make a sandwich and get my snacks and food and stuff for the overnight. So I'll just pack a minimal amount of food. But I'm going up on the Amtrak, so I can bring like a shopping bag or something with some food in it. Because I'm not going to be riding my bike to Santa Fe. I'll be taking the Amtrak, so I'll have, food on the train. I think it leaves at like late morning. So I have food on the train, and I'll be able to get food when I get to Santa Fe. Although I'd rather bring everything with me, so I'm not having to lock my bike up outside of a, supermarket. And also, I don't want to have to like go walk somewhere. I don't know where the hotel's going to be yet, but I want it as close to the Amtrak station, because I want to ride. I want to take the Amtrak up and then do the trail from the Amtrak station back to Albuquerque, and I think it'll be really fun. I really doing really well with this, with the 27-mile rides. Very easy. It's just I need to also, from Walmart, I need to go get one of those butt cushions for the chair, because like my muscular butt tends to start hurting after a while. Because I'm used to doing downhill biking where my seat is lowered and I'm basically like never sit on the seat. So when I'm doing these long trail rides, my butt starts hurting because I'm sitting on the seat the whole time. And it's not like rocky or anything or bouncy. It's just that I'm just in a weird position. Not used to it. I'm used to sitting on this like hemorrhoid pillow. Like I don't have hemorrhoids, but like I've got this old lady gel pillow that I sit on in the van, and it's like super comfortable. So I need something like that. I think Walmart sells seat covers that are like gel seat covers. Just something like that would be more comfortable for me, so I can just cruise. But I think I'll do that. I think I'll do it Saturday, Sunday, or maybe I'll go up. Well, no, yeah. So the Amazon tour is on Friday, so I'll do Saturday morning, take the Amtrak. Sunday, because Amtrak's always delayed, so it's probably not even going to get to Santa Fe on time. It's a 2.5 hour or 2 hour train ride. I've never been on Amtrak before, so it'll be super exciting. So I'm going to do that, and then then just go ride to my hotel, and then just chill and relax. I'm not going to have my computer with me, so I'm not going to be able to like do any work or anything. So I'll probably just bring my iPad. Yeah, I wish I could bring, no, because my computer's too bulky and I really want to keep it minimal. And I'm only going to just be going up and riding back. So I'll just make sure that I've wrapped everything up so I don't have to like use a computer at all. And then, yeah, so then contact everyone, let them know what I'm doing in case I need a rescue. So, I think they might have sold. They have a trailer now. They had a road trek factory built van. Now they've got a little Jeep. And they had a box truck. Both were for sale for the longest time, for weeks. And now someone's riding my bike. The bike shop's over here where I put my bike on consignment. So I just saw a guy on a bike looks like my bike. I'm like, is he test riding it or stealing it? So I got to call them and see how the consignment is going, because I would just like to get rid of that bike. But I think bike shops are closed on Mondays generally. So anyway, I'm just babbling. But yeah, so that's kind of the exciting week. So I'm going to do this for a couple days. If it rains Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, I'll go ahead and just do the gym for 2 days, or I might go do the gym one day and a hike the other day. Because if it's overcast like this, it's perfect for hiking. And I would like to go do that same hike I did the other week, the Arabito. I don't know what it's called. It's just kind of like back there. But yeah, for today, bike ride, like just, get that out, do the bike ride, and then I'm going to make some lunch. So I've got some avocado, eggs, cheese. The bread is kind of stale, so I was going to make like an open face sandwich, but I think I'll just do with scrambled eggs, tomatoes, onions, avocado, and then what else? Can I park here? I think I can park at the end here. I gotta pull in. want to park with their son. This looks like a good space here. Why do people park over 2 spaces? I never understand that. It's not even busy here today, so I'm gonna figure out where the sun's gonna go. Yeah, back up here. I'll go at the end. But yeah, so sorry, this is me backing up for the whole video. Actually no, there's too much debris there. Yeah, the sun's kind of in and out, but I'm still getting some good sun. So yeah, okay, the tree's there. So I will go right here. I don't like trees. Just a world without trees. Okay, so back to me. So I'm just gonna back up here and try to park without hitting anybody. Don't know if there's a car behind me. So anyway, yeah, so today is bike ride, lunch, and then Walmart, and then I have a call with my daughter, and then I'll park up at Starbucks, probably over by Walmart, or the one that I go to usually. I was talking to a girl yesterday and she was like, oh, I really just want to travel and do stuff. So I was like, I will show you the way. It's like, quit your job. So yeah, okay, so there's that. All right, that's it, nothing else. Okay, bye.